Today, I'll show you how to replace the back glass of an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, we will remove the glue using a glue remover machine according to the phone model. After the glue is removed, we will lift and remove the glass using a glass lifter. We need to lift it carefully around the camera area so that the camera doesn't get damaged. After removing the glass, we need to clean it properly. Now, we will apply glue properly around the edges. And align and place the back glass carefully. Then, we will apply a little pressure and attach clips around the edges so that the back glass sets properly. Thanks for watching my video.